Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Trading Futures Live, where we trade futures live every single day right in front of you guys. We show you our winners, we show you our losers. We don't have anything to hide here. My name is George. That's Franco next to me. Really quickly, trading is inherently risky and can result in the loss of capital, so please do not copy any of our trades or take any of our trades. We're here for educational purposes only. And so with that, let's go ahead and get started. In the news today, not much going on. We do have to worry about FOMC member speaking at 11, but we already had news at 8:30. PPI came in better than expected for currency, but that's not necessarily better for the economy. Unemployment claims were up, also not good for the economy. As we stated in the pre-market analysis, this FOMC member speaking at 11 is pretty much the first FOMC member speaking since yesterday's 9.1% annualized inflation number. So I think the market will be looking to see more than usual what this member has to say about that. So we do need to concern ourselves with that around 11 a.m. Tomorrow we do have some news as well, and we are off. Tomorrow we do have some core retail sales as well. At 8:30, another member speaking, and consumer sentiment at 10. So decent news day tomorrow as well. The markets, all markets are down from yesterday's close. NQ is the strongest. ES is opening up below yesterday's low, practically, or right at yesterday's low, as well as the Dow is well below yesterday's low. The Russell is opening up around there as well. So certainly some bearish sentiment overnight, and we'll see if that continues. We'll go ahead and take a look at the charts. Like I said, let's see, we opened down here, so we did open below yesterday's low. Again, confirming that to me is confirmation of the bearish sentiment. So we'll see if this breaks up. Right now at the open, I'd be more interested in taking it back down. If it hits any of my levels up here, more so than them going to the upside. And if it does break down, let's see what the internals are saying right now. Extremely negative, extremely negative. Advanced declines, both opening up at extreme negatives. Tick charts as well. I'm going to give this a couple of minutes to sort itself out. But I'm neutral bearish for the most part. Now the ES has already gone from 05 to about 40, so 65 points. So it still has more room to run to the downside. I mean, we can definitely hit this 3,700 level easy today. So I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive on the shorts than I would probably normally be. And so, that being said, I'm going to get my position size set up. I'm going to go back to my normal position size. Turn on the smart risk calculator. We're going to attach these exits. And let's see. All right, so that looks like it's working properly.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. That helps us with these videos.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone, by the way. So, not much movement yet at the open. Decent volume for me. So far, a test of some supply here. See if this breaks down and test these lows.
On NQ, we're breaking the overnight
low already.
We are about to break the overnight low. Yeah.
Let's
see how consistent is this break. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be very
popped right through there. There was a bunch of stops there. People so the Dow's breaking down, NQ's breaking down, ES is breaking down. The Russell is the one lagging the most.
But the tick chart is not breaking.
This chart.
The tick chart is not breaking the low yet.
Didn't even get to friggin' negative 750, and I got to negative 600 on the NQ. The advanced declines seem to want to continue to push down. Let's refresh here.
Yeah, now we gotta be careful with this overnight low break. It's not breaking consistently. It's bouncing. Let's see if we can have a break on the tick chart just to assess the trend for the day. There's a fight right now. Buyers and sellers right there. Hearing something? Oh, the algos. Yeah, the tick chart is not breaking to the short side. Even though price is going down, but tick chart is bouncing. There we go. There we go. Now we have it.
Yeah.
All right.
ES is testing those lows now. Russell's starting to push down. Why is my...
Wait.
There we go. And we are off. Internals still very negative.
I have
screaming up.
I have 11,605. 11,605. Let's see how the volume is today. Obviously it's not gonna be higher than yesterday, but it's pretty good volume though. Yesterday we have exceedingly high volume though. It's a good volume day.
All right, I'm going to have a short here. I don't know if it's going to fill or not, but 42.50. Let me adjust. And adjust. Let's see, the 5 minute. It's got a minute 30 left in this 5 minute. place my order because I don't know if it's going to give me a chance to get in otherwise. So I have 37.40, 250. Usual 10-point stop. Got 1 minute left in this 5 minute.
Dollar's going up non-stop.
Yeah, dollar was screaming.
Yeah.
Russell finally broke lows, so all of them have broken down. Wow, gold is crashing $16.99. Holy crap, crude is at 91.
Nice.
It's dropped $3 and
Figure this, the dollar is going up too much.
crude is down 5%.
Gold? Gold.
Crude.
Crude.
14 seconds in this 5 minute. Looks like it's going to close below everything. I don't know if we're going to get a pullback or not. Might need to be more aggressive. Let's see, the high of this is 48. I'm going to move my entry down.
New 5 though.
Moved it to 38.50. I don't want this to leave without me. This could... I'm essentially risking the entire last 5 minute candle. It's going to be my risk in this trade. See if we get filled.
Gold is down big time. All metals. Also silver. Silver is down big time. Whew. Wow. Silver is down 6%. Oh
This is all signs of a recession in my opinion.
The dollar strength. Dollar up, all commodities go down and depress prices. But look, even with the dollar so high, lumber is up 0.6%.
Wow, euro dollar 99.54. Crazy.
Let's move our office to Europe.
Let's go to Europe right now. Shit.
Yeah, 0.99. Euro is down 1% today. Whew. God damn it.
This did not put the right contract size. Clear. Short.
I do have 581, but I think it's too close. Location is not good. I don't have a strong leg out.
There we go. All right, got minute 40 in the 15-minute candle. That's pushing down quite hard. Price is dragging down the value area with it. With this new 15 minute and the volatility of the new 15 minute,
30 seconds for it.
Yeah, I'm moving my order up. I'm moving my order up to its original entry point.
Bro, JP Morgan is down 5%. This is one of the most solid companies in the market.
I'll put it up here at 42.
Wow. Wow.
5 seconds.
Holy crap.
New 15. All right, I moved it up from 38.50. I'm going to mark that 38.50.
Order canceled.
Yeah.
The internals will take a screaming up. Take a screaming up.
There we go.
Wow. All right, I'm in this. I'm certainly glad but this looks like a false breakout to the downside.
Wow.
That is quite the run.
Wow. I had an order there. I canceled it. Look at the
Although
tick.
it did create a heck of a racetrack back down, but
yeah,
that's one heck of a push on the tick chart.
Yeah, I just need to see another.
And that's why I moved my entry, because that 15-minute volatility of that first 15-minute is brutal.
That's a good trade, though.
Brutal.
That is a good trade.
Yeah, it's a trade I have to take every time. I can't not. And it's a pretty damn good entry.
Bro, I put it out.
If this is going to go down, it needs to go down from there.
Yeah. That is the entry. I missed it. Ooh. See if I can catch up with this, bro. Let's see if I can catch up with this trade.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm gonna be in this if it drops.
Order filled.
I'm in it.
Let's take a look at the internals. Fortunately, I would say that they are trending up.
They are.
The tick charts are trending up. The advanced declines are kind of flat.
Stop me out. But I can keep trying this.
And the advanced declines are at such negatives that it's going to be somewhat difficult for them to actually they won't be able to necessarily go down hard, but we certainly want to see that advanced decline trend down and at least hold these levels here. See what happens with these tick charts. If it comes down and makes, and at least tests some of these lows again. I don't expect it to get back down to this negative 1,000 level, but certainly want to see it come back to this negative 750, maybe negative 900 area.
Order submitted.
After touching the zero line. That would certainly help our trades, but these advanced declines are not helping right now.
Order
Dollars had a slight little pullback. The VIX leveled off there at 28.20. Starting to push down.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna try again this same trade.
We just got a new 5-minute. Got 10 minutes left in this first 30 from the open. And I definitely need to see this make a new low in this next 10 minutes. If not, I'm going to need to think about maybe micromanaging this trade.
I'm gonna be stopped out twice.
Top fill.
Damn. Volatility is too high for me.
Yeah, your zones are...
Huh?
You've got tight zones there.
Yeah. Yeah, volatility is too high for me.
Yeah. And the internals are still...
Yeah.
have not rolled over back to the downside, so this could very well be a false breakout to the downside. If I get stopped out, I'll need to reassess and see whether or not my real-time bias stays the same to the short side, or if I think we're going to be rolling over and holding these levels to go long. Is this potentially maybe the low of the day, or are we going to test these lows down here, this zone that I have? We will find out. If you're just joining us, we're short micro ES. Price broke down below the overnight low. I had a limit order here. We're trying to risk a good portion of this 5-minute candle from the open. Ideally on a stronger pullback, I maybe would have been risking the entire 5-minute candle from the open. My bias has been short. We haven't been getting that from the internals though at the moment. They are trending up, although they have been holding in the negatives, but they are trending upwards. And we need to see the advanced decline hold these levels and start to come down to see this trade work out. We do have some room to run as far as the ATR goes, but we were down overnight. Price moved down steadily in the overnight session, and we had some not so good earnings reports from JP Morgan Chase as well as Morgan Stanley. So certainly bearish sentiment out there. We'll see if we're going to go down or if this was just a false breakout. I'm getting the sense that not necessarily that this is a false breakout, but that it's going to want to stop people out like myself first before it comes back down. So advanced decline continues to push up. New high on the tick chart. Yeah, this trade is not going to work out. At least not within this first 30 minutes.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
We've got About 50 seconds left in this 5 minute, and then we're going to have the last 5 minutes on the, sorry. Wow, my stop is literally the fucking point of control. Good lord.
Order
Okay,
filled.
I'm short again. I'm short. There you go. Come on.
See if the tick chart finally decides to break the trend line. Need to see a solid push to these dotted lines here and a rollover on the advanced decline, which it's not giving us. It's
Yeah. It wants
Making
to
a
go
higher.
up. Yeah.
making a higher high. We'll see if that holds here on the advanced decline there.
Yeah, there's a fight
There's a
there.
strong rejection there.
Yeah.
Dollar's coming down pretty aggressively.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I might get stopped out here.
We'll see it. I need to see my trade go 1-to-1 before this 30-minute candle closes. At least my first target is 2-to-1, but I need to see this 30-minute close at or around the lows here. If not, I'm going to contemplate closing this.
All right,
And really, I want to see it close below the lows. If it closes at the lows, I'm going to expect this to shoot up in the next 30 minutes. So
yeah, I'm 1-to-1. I'm moving my stop break even, and I might get break even because of the consolidation here. It's tough.
yeah, we're not getting any help from the internals.
No.
None whatsoever.
It is what it is, bro. What's your target?
37.22.
37.22. Wow. Ah, it's not even the low of the day.
Yeah, it is the low of the day.
Is the low of the day?
Yeah, it's beyond the low of the day. Again, no help from the internals.
Stop filled.
I'm out of break even. I want to keep trying the short. Look at that. The volatility took me out, bro.
Stay patient, my friends. 1 minute left in this 30-minute. 1 minute left in this 30-minute. and I am certainly not a fan of that. The volatility of the new 30-minute can certainly stop me out. And then continue lower. Or this could be the false breakout to the upside. We'll see. The tick chart's pushing down, but it is the last minute of this 30 minutes, so that does not give me any confidence. That's not the type of breakdown I like to see. All right, new 30.
There it goes.
Russell's making a new low, pushing down. But it's the only one so far. Need to see the NQ push and break down below there. Need to see this 5-minute close below. Excuse me.
Ay, ay, ay. I am -2 on one break even, bro. Look at the break even. Fuck.
Oof. Just popped below. Stopped a bunch of people out right there that had their stops right at that low. Got a bunch of trapped ass buyers up in there. Underlay.
Bro, I'm so frustrated. Like, I knew that was the area, right? It's not that I knew, but I like the area. Stopped out twice. Now my risk is fairly lower today. I'm -2, but I'm just losing $500. And
Which is essentially like not even 1 R for him, so.
It's 1 R.
It is, yeah. So.
Yeah, but it's 2 R today.
So. No, but that's good.
It's not good.
Well, it's good that you have a smaller position size.
No, I know. Look,
that you weren't down $1,000.
Yeah.
That's. Yeah.
Well,
obviously.
I wouldn't have been stopped out though.
Now, why did you have a smaller position size today?
No, because I came from the trip. I just want to keep it slow this week.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. I went back to my original position size today, because I liked this potential setup that we have working out right now. So, doesn't mean it's going to work out, but I had a little bit more confidence in this after my pre-market analysis. So I went back to my normal position size. I was with Franco earlier in the week as far as taking smaller position sizes. We were off last week. We wanted to work our way back into the trading this week and not get caught doing anything stupid with our normal position sizes. So, what's up, Pyson? Good morning. Late to the party. Yes, you are. We are breaking lows, making new lows. We've now broken the lows of the last couple of weeks on the ES and are testing the low from 3 weeks ago right now. So I'm looking for this to get potentially even down to the low of that third week today. But my targets do not reflect that. I'm in this short. That is the wrong chart. I am in this short, and my final target is basically those. No, not even the lows from 3 weeks ago, but a zone that I have there. So I've got my first two targets above that zone, and my third target is the back of that zone. My first target is 2R target. So at 8:30 we had some news. It spiked down, created the low on the day. We opened right here, shot up slightly, but came down, broke that low. I had a limit order right below this. This was my zone. I was trying to risk the 5-minute candle there. Price shot up at the open of the new 15-minute candle, chopped around for the next 15 minutes, and basically has been dropping since 10 a.m. nicely. We're at about 1.5 to 1 right now, and my first target is 2 to 1. And I don't necessarily think that there's much in the way of this trade right now. This is one of those trades that it's, as long as no news breaks out. We do have an FOMC member speaking at 11 a.m. So I would certainly want to hit my first two targets before 11 a.m. Because that could certainly turn it around, especially after yesterday's CPI number of 9.1% annualized. Everyone's going to be looking to see what the Fed might be doing, and so that speech today is going to have a bunch of ears and eyes on it. Yeah, you got that right, Python. Never mind, opportunity will always come. Yes, sir. Don't get caught in the FOMO. There will always be another trade. Always. So make sure it's a well-planned trade. No need to jump into anything without proper planning. Trust me, I know from experience. What do you like to trade, Python? You trade the ES and the NQ, or you trade some other commodities or indexes? Are you new to trading?
No, market has to price in 1%. George?
Yeah, which it didn't really. I mean, it did it in the first 5-minute candle yesterday of the news, but that was the low of the day.
Yeah. No, yeah, but remember those probabilities changed during the day.
Yeah.
So in the market went up. Now we have 87% probabilities that the rate hike is 1%. Market needs to digest that.
I'm thinking about moving my first scale out to 3 to 1. I have room for this thing to go. We're gonna maximize this trade.
There's nothing else down there? Thank you hasn't broken yesterday's low, bro. It's right there.
That's a good,
yeah.
that's a good,
I mean, I don't want to influence you
no,
in a bad way.
No, please. I'm all ears right now. All fucking ears. I'm not gonna touch it. You have anything?
548, but I don't know. Already -2 has to be a better location for me. I don't see the ADQD retracings yet. Probably in the next 30 minutes. I might have felt some FOMO though, because I do have a zone. I didn't take it limit, and then you were in.
Yeah.
And I wanted to catch up. I needed like to get in because everything was aligned for the short. So I took the short twice, stopped out for volatility, and then the third time I did take it a slightly better position, right? I was taking out break even, and it fell from my break even. It's not even that I was losing 1 point. Interesting recap today.
Got pushes on the tick chart right now. Got close to my first target. It's quite an aggressive push to the upside. Damn.
Yeah, but 7 minute is just opening. We have the next 15 opening in 1.5. I want to present you guys my beautiful daughter. She is Emma. Come here. No, here. Oh, you don't want to come? All right. I thought you were coming. We're live. Look, live chat. I swear. If you don't want to show up, that's fine. Close the door. I love you. came close to my area.
I'm gonna keep an eye on the tick chart. It's testing the highs right now. On the ES there, I do not want to see this make new highs. We've got new 15-minute right now. Like I said, we do not want to see this making new highs. We want to see the advanced declines continue to come down. Although, how much lower can they go?
What?
The advanced declines.
Oh yeah, that is true.
Not much.
But a sideways can help you out.
Yeah. Yeah, but we certainly want to, these tick charts, we got getting a heck of a pullback right now. Definitely want to see this last 15-minute candle hold the high of that last 15-minute hold. Which is up here. It's very hard for me to not micromanage this trade. Extremely hard.
Yeah.
I really want to move my T1 to 3R from 2R. I'm doing everything in my power to not touch it.
You want to go what?
I do actually.
Yeah.
If you don't have it, if you don't have anything.
I don't. Put it to record and.
Yeah. We're gonna call it a morning.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna take any more trades after this, regardless of the outcome. And it's.
I am -2 and 1 break even. I will take more trades, but I think George needs to step out of
Yeah,
this.
I need to step away from this right now. Let the trade work out on its own. I'm gonna put it to record, and we will catch you guys on the daily recap. Thank you guys for joining us. Sorry to be ending it kind of early, but we're in the trade that we're gonna take. I don't want to micromanage it anymore. We're getting close to my T1 that I really want to move, and I'm gonna do my best not to. So catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks.
Later.